in this video I will show you how to move categories in Discord mobile. Firstly, you need to get up right here on your first site selections on your site section, right here. Then go on the three dots here, go for settings, and when you get up right here you need to go on the fourth selection, which is channels. Right here, as you can see on your right upper side, you have that category site selection. Just go tap on that site and go for category. From here, as you can see, uncategorize it. You can take it over and as this one could be changed by simply tapping and hold on our site selections. Just go done when you have that selection, and simply also you can take over these sites. You can take over and add a new one if you want. If you don't want, simply you're gonna get back and check over the new site system which you have moved on your categories in Discord mobile.